Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Shopify here, and then I want to tell you about our Fast Track program at the end here. But first, let's get to the stock. So the company reported pretty strong earnings, and look what the stock did. It rallied up, and then it drifted lower. This happens a lot. A stock will suck people in. Retail folks who are eager to buy before everybody else gets a chance. So they want to be first in line, and they pay the high price. A lot of times the stock will just crap down and you never hear from it again. Sprouts Farmers Market kind of did that. This is, what not to do here. But Shopify, this is how I'm trading this. So the stock gaps up, trades down, and then it just kind of stabilizes here. So if we're looking at the trading range since earnings, this is where it is. So you can see it's very close to squirting out the top of the box again. And so I took a little position in this today, to right around 1050, I think, something like that. Maybe even a little bit higher, I forget. But it wasn't, I'm up a little bit on it, not enough to brag about. So I'm basically in right here. So I'm going to add to that position if the stock breaks out above $1,100. And my theory is, look, the stock doesn't even come back and test the 50-day moving average. When a stock is strong like this, the only way this stock is moving the way it is because institutions are buying. And so you look for these tests of the 50-day moving average as kind of a litmus test to see whether institutions are still buying or not. If institutions are still buying, the stock should hold somewhere around the 50. Maybe not exactly there, but you'd be surprised at the proximity to the 50-day moving average that a trading low will hit, because that's where institutions step in. So I see this little drift here, and we've got these little, I call them pinch and pops. I've called it the pimple pattern before, but we've got these little pinch and pops here, kind of like we had here, same deal, where the stock squirts higher and then keeps going. We got a lot of those working at Stock Market Mentor, but now we're right in this no man's land between between 1,000 and 1,100. So I'm take a small position here, and then I'm looking for a breakout to add to that position. I think this is going to work, okay? Now, by the way, just so you know, we put together a brand new, what we call a welcome mat series of videos. And what it is you get as a member, your trial member, first 30 days are free. During those 30 days, I inundate you with free videos. And they're not just the typical, like, hey, buy this, buy that, blah, blah. No, it's none of that crap. This is hardcore knowledge for you, because the idea, I'll just give you the marketing ploy, so to speak. I want to flood you with useful information over your free period. I mean, literally to where you're looking at it going, well, crap, I can't quit now. I mean, I know I'm about to pay this guy $100 or whatever it is, but it's totally worth it to me because look how much I've learned about trading. That's my goal. Whether that actually works for you, that's up to you. I've done my part. Now I just need you to do yours. So sign up for a free trial. Get that welcome mat. Get that fast track orientation. And then you tell me if it hasn't improved your trading. Dan at stockmarketmentor.com. All right. See you next time.